Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Jerlyn, your full-time mom, online seller at the same time vlogger. For today's video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay kung paano mag-create ng SSS account gamit ang inyong cellphone. So, bago ko umpisahan ng aking tutorial, huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod ko pang mga videos. Okay, ang una nating gagawin ay pumunta tayo sa Google Chrome or Google App and then type mo lang ang www.sss.gov.ph. And then click lang natin tong tatlong dot dito sa taas para makita natin ng buo. Click desktop site. And then dito sa gilid, click natin tong member. Ayan. Tapos, dahil wala pa tayong user ID and password, so, dito tayo sa register. Click natin tong register sa baba, nasa gitna. And then, zoom lang natin para makita natin. Ayan, merong reminders guys. Click mo lang ang box dito sa baba, box na maliit, na ang nakalagay ay I certify that I have read and understood the foregoing reminders on SSS web registration. Siyempre, itong reminders na to, babasahin mo yan, itong 1 hanggang 7. Pagkatapos, click mo lang itong proceed. Tapos, nandito na tayo sa online member user ID registration. So, ang una nating itatype ay ang SSS number or CRN, followed by email address and confirm email address. Kailangan active yung ating email address. Next ay ang iyong preferred user ID. Length must be 8 to 20 characters. First character must be alphabetic. Tapos, no special characters except underscore. So, nandito yung example, Juan underscore Cruz, 1, 2, 3, 4, ayan. Tapos, next ay ang iyong surname, given name, middle name. Next ay date of birth. So, pag pinasok mo ang iyong birth of date, merong nakalagay dito na you are 23 years old based on the date of birth you entered and the system date of your device. Please confirm. Kung tama naman, click mo lang itong OK. So, ang next ay ang mailing address. Siyempre, kung meron kang room, floor, unit, number, and building name, lagay mo dyan. House, lot, and block number, lagay mo. Street and subdivision. And then, click mo lang kung Metro Manila ka ba. Click mo ang malit na box kung Metro Manila. I-click mo din ang box ng province kung tiga-probinsya ka. Tapos, lagay mo din ang foreign mailing address mo kung meron ka. Pagkatapos, itong registration preference number, ito yung pinaka-importante din. Yan, select. Kasi dito magbabatay si SSS kung ano yung naka-register na konektado doon sa iyong SSS number. Una, merong savings account number. Halimbawa kung yan ay connected sa SSS number mo. Next ay mobile number registered in SSS. Tapos, meron din tayong UMID card. Kung meron ka ng UMID card, click mo lang yan. And then, type mo lang din yung UMID card number. Employer ID, household employer ID number. Paid payment reference number. Date of loan with existing loan balance. Tapos, transaction number shown in your personal record. And then, the last is check number of any monthly pension of retire disability pensioner who is receiving the pension benefit through check. So, ang pipiliin natin dito ay ang mobile number registration in SSS. Pagkatapos mong i-input lahat ng mga information, click mo lang itong box ng I'm not a robot and then click ang I accept the terms of service and then click submit. So, ayan, na-input na natin ang lahat ng mga information na kailangan. Dito ay kailangan natin i-confirm or basahin natin lahat ng nakalagay dito kung tama. Kasi bawal talaga magkamali. Kung tama naman na, click lang natin itong confirm dito sa baba. So, dito nakalagay, this action will send the supplied information to SSS. Do you want to continue? Click mo lang itong okay. And then, you have successfully submitted your SSS web account registration application. Kindly check your email for the system notification. Thank you. Tapos, meron dito nakalagay na note. Please also check your spam or junk mail folder if the email confirmation is not in your inbox. So, click lang natin itong okay. Tapos, pupunta tayo doon sa ating Gmail account. So, ngayon, nandito na tayo sa ating Gmail account. And, email na si SSS na nakalagay, Dear Miss and Mr., thank you for registering in the SSS website. We would like to inform you of your user ID. Then please active your My SSS member account and provide your preferred password by clicking here. Itong nakalagay na clicking here na kulay blue, yan yung i-click mo. Click natin yan. And then dito, magsiset tayo ng password. So, nakalagay to active your my.sss account and nominate your preferred password. Please provide the last 6 digits of your CRN or SS number you entered in my SSS registration. So, kailangan natin i-click ang 6-digit number. Pagkatapos nating i-type ang 6-digit number, click natin itong submit. Tapos dito, kailangan natin maglagay ng preferred password and then confirm preferred password. So, ang sabi length must be 8 to 20 alphanumeric characters. First character must be alphabetic, no special characters, and must be different from the user ID. So, kailangan, ikaw nang bahala kung ano ilalagay mo dito. Then, ayan na, magsiset up tayo dito ng security questions. Kailangan to, syempre pagka nawala yung, or na-forgot mo yung password mo. So, ito yung mga kailangan na hingin ng SSS. So, una, choose security question number 1. So, meron tayong pagpipilian dito. Meron tayong in what town or city was your first job? Pangalawa, in what town or city did you meet your spouse or partner? Pangatlo ay what are the last 6 digits of your driver's license? Pangapat, in what town or city did your parents meet? Kailangan mong pumili dito ng mas madaling tandaan. So, dito pwede natin piliin itong what is the nickname of your mother. Yan, kasi mas madali yan. Or, what is the last name of your childhood hero? Ikaw ang bahala dyan. So, click natin tong what is the nickname of your mother. Tapos, type lang natin. Next, I choose security question number 2. So, dito, pipili ka ulit. Medyo madaling tandaan. So, ayan na-input na natin ang dalawang security question. So, click lang natin itong submit. And then, dito, meron pang security question setup confirmation. Help us verify your account. Please enter your password. So, click lang natin yung password.
Okay. Mamasok.
Then, click confirm. So, ayan na. The security question were successfully set up. transaction number nakalagay, and then date of time of setup. Ayan. So, click lang natin itong go to home. So, dito, meron nakalagay na member survey consent. So, click ka lang dyan, mamili ka lang ng option to share the information for a maximum of, yung isa 2 years, ang pangalawa ay 3 years. So, pumili ka lang dyan. Sa akin, lalagay ko ang 2 years. And then, click lang natin ang I agree. Tapos, ayan na siya. You have one unread notification. Click lang natin itong view. Tapos na tayo sa paggawa ng SSS account. So, pwede mo na itong ma-access anytime. So, halimbawa, i-verify natin ang ating contribution. So, click lang natin itong inquiry. So, dito makikita mo kung hinuhulugan ba talaga ng inyong mga employer ang inyong SSS number. So, yan. Tapos na tayo. Thank you so much for watching. At hopefully, meron kayong natutunan sa aking tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated pa kayo sa susunod ko pang mga videos. God bless everyone and bye!